Dopes Customs. You can see we're here in Hope's Garage tonight, and tonight's subject we're going to be working with is recently completed CNC machine. We're going to be machining out a socket for a nut that goes on my 1949 Alice Chalmers. We're going to be doing some CNC work, doing some videos of it, showing you some various different things. Hope you learned something, spending this time with a couple of nuts.
Alright people, this is Hope here. Just a little rundown. I use CAM as my CAD CAM program to design everything in. And I'm using Mach 3, which I know everybody's familiar with. Fantastic program, decent price. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and drill 4 holes in this, and then we'll come back here in a little bit once we get the other end mill set up in it to start milling. But anyway, here we go. Welcome back. We're going to now start carving this tool out. The holes I drilled were just mere reliefs because I don't have a small end mill. I've seen them keep breaking them. I guess that's part of the learning process, but boy, it's expensive. That way when the 3/4 comes around, you got 2 rounded edges as you've seen on the nut, and then the flat edges. Well, hopefully these reliefs will be enough that it'll actually go by it, and then the part will fit down into it without crimping the corners because of the radiuses are different. But all right, well, here we go. back here to show you our test fit. Alright, well here's our test, here's our piece, our nut. Here's the new tool for it. Voila! We'll be back here in a little bit with some more. Thanks. Bye. Well, we decided to modify this tool, and as you can see right here, these 4 holes are going to be released once again for this big bad boy. Oh yeah, 3/4 inch drive. Why not make a tool look cool? Cool tools. That's cool. Anyway, what we're going to do now is run 3/8 mil around here. We're going to cut this out, and we'll show you here at the end of it the fit.
Welcome back to Dope's Customs. We finished making our socket, as I said earlier, for our little nut off my Alice Chalmers tractor. Got here, it's a socket that we made up. Don't look like much of a socket. As you can tell, fit and finish is pretty decent. Too bad at all. Look at the back side, there's plenty of clearance for the threads. But you're asking yourself, how in the world is this actually a socket? There's no way that a wrench could fit on it. Well, I'll show you. Right here in the bottom, squared hole, cut out a recess and everything to fit a 3/4 inch drive socket, including a retainer spot, keeping the socket in. It's quite easy how it works. Just put it on like so. This is the nut on your tractor, like so. And you just spin this whole thing round and round. Realize it's off center and everything, but you've got plenty of room to actually work in that wheel with. So, simple little project, turned out pretty decent. Hope showed off his CNC capabilities rather well.